I'm Natalie Brand in Palm Springs. Local doctors and school districts are urging Valley students to get vaccinated for whooping cough before they head back to school, some of them going back as early as next week. And this comes as the epidemic is growing in California, and pertussis has now killed 7 infants in our state. Doctors say the best prevention is getting a vaccine. We have a complete list of locations on our website. This is one of them, the Palm Springs Family Care Center. Just go to kpsplocal2.com. I'm Natalie Brand, kpsplocal2.com.